Hello everyone, so today we're talking about enthalpy. Your goal is that I can describe what enthalpy is. So here, enthalpy is a vocab word. It is the sum of the system's internal energy and the product of its pressure and volume and its heat that is absorbed or released by a reaction. So basically with enthalpy, you are talking about how much is the temperature changing? Is it getting hotter? Is it getting colder? What's causing this temperature difference? And what is the difference specifically? So with this, that brings us to exothermic versus endothermic, which we have talked about before in our reactions unit. But just as a reminder and to officially give you guys the definitions, exothermic reactions are reactions or processes that release energy, usually in the form of heat or light. And endothermic reaction is a chemical reaction in which more energy is needed to break bonds in the reactants than is released, which means it gets colder. So exothermic releases heat, endothermic uses up the heat. Exothermic is hot, endothermic is cold. If you do baking soda and vinegar and you were to touch that or touch the bowl it's in or something, you will realize it is colder because it uses that heat. It sucks that heat in, makes everything around it colder. Exothermic releases that heat, so that's like your fire, your explosions, it gets hot. And that's because it is releasing, or it's releasing that energy in the form of heat. All right, so that's it for this section. Short, sweet, to the point. Just need to know how to explain it, what it means, be familiar with the wording. If you take chemistry 2, we kind of dig in a little bit deeper. But for Chem 1, you just need to be familiar with the terms. Now, just a heads up, I have not made the test yet, so I do not have the outline done. So keep your eye out in your email for your outline. You will have a lab. Make sure you do that lab. It is a separate grade. It greatly helps your grade if you complete it. And then this test is just going to be definitions, and you'll have one specific heat problem that we did in the last slide. So make sure you can do that. It'll be really easy because this is a super short unit just based off on heat. So if you have any questions or concerns about anything, let me know and I'll be happy to help you out.